This is a milk frother or a frother. You don't have to froth milk. You can froth other stuff. By Beam. This is really cool. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. This is a really cool little handheld tool, and I love that it has a little stand with it. And my other really favorite thing that came with this is it came with the batteries. I hate getting a product and then I have to run around and look for batteries that came with the batteries. Very cool. At least my first set. At least like warned me a little, right? So that's cool. And man, it really goes for it. It is a powerful little zinger. And I'm frothing some collagen from Beam here, which is awesome. It's just blending. I'm blending it. But what is really amazing about this is I actually used it on some almond milk and it actually frothed the almond milk, which that was pretty cool. But you can do oat milk, almond milk, regular milk. Heavy cream is wonderful to froth, so works really well with heavy cream. Anything like that. So really good, really great. And I love their little saying, you just made wellness one less thing to think about. Thank you, Bean. Love it.